Dear students, today we will do two properties of FFT, that are circular time reversal and circular time shift. First we will do circular time reversal. In this property, the statement is, if DFT of sequence x of n is x of k, then DFT of x of capital N minus n means circular sequence. DFT will be equal to capital N minus k. Capital N minus n is representation of circular sequence, and name of the property is circular time reversal. According to the formula of DFT is x of k is equals to summation n is from 0 to n minus 1 x of n e raised to power minus j 2 pi n k upon n. We write x of k. X of k is, here see, x of k is DFT of x of n. So we can write x of k is equals to DFT of x of n. Now we have to find DFT of x of n minus n. So replace x of n by x of n minus n. So we write x of k is equals to DFT of x of n. So in this x of n we replace x of n by x of n minus n. DFT of x of n minus n is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to n minus 1. This x of n is replaced by this x of capital N minus n e raised to power minus j 2 pi n k upon n. Now see in this formula, here is n, x of n, and the limit of this n is from 0 to n minus 1, and we write here also n. So in this we replace x of n by n minus n. So we have to change this limit n in terms of x of capital N minus n, or we have to change this n in term of x of n minus n. In this, how we will change the limit and how we will write this n. So we put L is equals to capital N minus n. First we will change this limit. When n is equals to 0, for limit, if n is equals to 0, L is equals to n. The range of L is equals to n. If this n is equals to capital N minus 1, then the range of L is equals to 1. Means if we want to replace this n in terms of L, the range will be 1 to n. Now see, this is a circular sequence, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, so on. If we write 1 2 3 4, it will be equal to, if we write 2 3 4 1. In case of 1 to n, suppose here is a arrow. In case of 1 to n, the limit is 2 3 4 1. Or if we write L is equals to 0 to n minus 1, then the sequence is 1 2 3 4. Means in circular the sequence will remain 1 2 3 4. Means you can start from here 1 2 3 4. You can start from this one 1 2 3 4, or you can start from this 2. It will 2 3 4 1 is the same thing. So instead of writing n in term of L from 1 to n, we write L is equals to 0 to n minus 1, because it is a circular sequence. It doesn't matter if we write 1 to n or if we write L is equals to 0 to n minus 1. X of n minus n. Now in this n also we have to replace in term of n minus n. So this n, we put L is equals to n minus n. From here, this n will be equals to L minus capital N minus L. So we change this n in term of capital N minus L. So this is the final equation after after changing x of n, after changing this limit, and after putting n in term of capital N minus L. So from this equation, we write L is equals to 0 to n minus 1. See, L is equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of n minus n e raised to power minus j 2 pi, open this bracket, n k into e raised to power minus minus plus j 2 pi l k upon n. Here n is cancelled with this n, so we left with e raised to power minus j 2 pi k, and this is always equals to 1. We prove it in the last property. So this factor, see, this factor will be equals to 1. Okay, so we left with L is equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of n minus n e raised to power j 2 pi l k upon n. So now we know L is equals to n minus n x of n minus 1 j 2 pi l k upon n. If we multiply this with e raised to power minus j 2 pi l n upon n, in here n is cancelled with n, and we left with e raised to power j 2 pi l, and this is equals to 1. So if we multiply this by this value, and this is always equals to 1, so we can multiply by this, means we multiply this equation by 1. Now from this we take common e raised to power j minus j 2 pi l. So here we left with minus k, and here we left with n. So the final equation becomes summation L is from 0 to n minus 1 x of n minus 1 e raised to power minus j 2 pi l n minus k upon n. If we compare this with standard formula, here x of k is n is equals to 0 to n minus n x of n e raised to power minus j 2 pi n k upon n, means if there is a k, then we write here x of k. See, in this equation, now k is replaced by n minus k, so we write x of n minus k instead of writing x of k. So DFT of x of n minus n is equal to x of n minus k. This was the solution of time reversal property. The next property is circular time shifting. Here is also the sequence is circular. The statement of this property is, if x of n DFT is x of k, the statement is x of n minus l. See, in this double bracket means sequence is circular. Then the DFT will be x of k into e raised to power minus j 2 pi l k upon n. The proof of this property, we start with inverse DFT. The formula of inverse DFT is, we write inverse DFT of x of k, that will be equal to x of n. And the standard formula for inverse DFT is x of n is equals to 1 by n summation k is from 0 to n minus 1. Here it is x of k and e raised to power minus j 2 pi n k upon n. This is the standard formula of inverse DFT. So we have to find inverse DFT of x. We have to find inverse DFT of this x of k into e raised to power minus j 2 pi l k upon n. So if here it is inverse DFT of x of k, we write here x of k. Now we have to find DFT of x of k into e raised to power j 2 pi l k upon n. So we replace this x of k by this value, e raised to x of k into e raised to power minus j 2 pi l k upon n. See, here it's a minus sign, here is also minus, and here is also minus. Then we multiply by this e raised to power j 2 pi n k upon n. Now from this we'll take common 1 by n. K is from 0 to n minus 1 x of k e raised to power j 2 pi k. We left with minus l, and here we left with n. So here is e raised to power j 2 pi k n minus l. If we write here n, then this will be equal to x of n. and now n is replaced by n minus l. So this is the formula of x of n minus l, means inverse DFT of x of n minus l is equals to this, and n minus l is circular time shifting. We write it in circular. So this will be equal to x of double bracket of n minus l. We have to prove this, x of n minus l is equals to this. So we start in this property, we start from this side and we get this x of n minus l. This was all about circular time shifting and circular time reversal property. In next video we will do circular convolution. Okay.